Hey, it's Dustin from the Gravity team. If you run a business, it's important to have a contact form so customers can reach you with any inquiries. Let's take a look at how to build one for your WordPress site using Gravity Forms. We'll start by heading to our WordPress dashboard and creating a new form. Gravity Forms features handy built-in templates that are great for capturing leads. For this example, we're going to use the simple contact form template. Give your form a name and optionally a description, then click Use Template. From here, you'll be greeted with our drag and drop form builder. The template includes a name field and email field, as well as a paragraph text field that lets users submit a message. We can customize this field further by adding an optional phone field so users can opt in to phone calls or texts. I'll save my form, then head to the form settings page to customize the confirmation message and email notification. I'll let users know that they can expect to hear back from me within 3 business days. If needed, I could instead send users to a different page upon form submission, or even redirect them to another URL. I'll then tweak the wording on the notification email they'll receive. Next, I can head back to the form editor and use the embed form flyout to add the form to a new page. Before I publish my page, I'm going to use the orbital styling options to add a nice background color to my form fields and change the color of the submit button so that it really pops. I'll also enable Ajax so that this form can be submitted without reloading the page. Then I'll publish my page. I'll next test my form to make sure everything is working correctly. Within my WordPress dashboard, I can look at all of the entries I've received, and if needed, I can even connect Gravity Forms to a marketing add-on like MailChimp to manage and connect with my leads. That's it for this video. Please feel free to let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one.